Alright, so today we are in Zion National Park in Utah, and we're going to do the sketchiest trail here. It's called Angel's Landing, and it's a bunch of narrow little passages where you're on the side of cliffs, so it sounds right up our alley. And we're going up there. So if you want to be twice the workout, bring your wife with you. I brought my dual pocket knife with me. My crew was very supportive of me going sketchy places. Last one up. Gotta pay for the bar tab tonight. And go. Slaves like that. Sure, babe. So this is where the trail gets sketchy. It's a good part. We're going up there, peak. Rush right there. Yeah. Don't need no stinking chain. Go freaking out. You're good. Don't look at the camera. Wow. See that road down there? That's where we started at. We climbed that much elevation today, and we still got that much to the top.
Yeah!
High fives. Woo! Pups.
We made it!
Yes. We lost Nick. He gone.
Getting
Oh,
it,
there he
getting
is.
Yeah, finish it up.
This is the spot. If you're ever in Zion, this is the one to do. Angel's Landing. Epic. On a typical day, scale to 1 to 10, about a 5. But on a day where you do an epic climb, do something sketchy, 9 out of 10 all the way. Today was a 10. So, is there like a chairlift back down, or what's the situation?
Right over here.
Oh, okay.